Welcome back everyone. If you are preparing for a data analyst or data science interview, you already know that remains one of the most critical tools to master. In this session, we are going to dive into two highly anticipated Excel interview questions that top companies frequently ask to test your automation and data handling skills. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your core concepts, this breakdown will give you the exact structured answers you need to stand out in front of your interviewers. Let's jump right into our first major topic, the power of automation using Excel macros. When an interviewer asks what is the purpose of macro in Excel, they want to see if you understand workflow optimization. At its core, a macro is a recorded sequence of actions or commands in Excel designed to automate repetitive manual tasks. Instead of spending hours performing the exact same steps every day, you can create a macro using either the built-in macro recorder or by writing custom VBA Visual Basic for applications code. By saving these actions, you can essentially execute a complex multi-step process instantly with just a single click of a button, dramatically shifting your workflow from manual labor to pure automation. Key benefits and common uses. The business value of utilizing macros comes down to maximizing productivity and maintaining absolute consistency. In data-driven roles, macros are heavily relied upon for formatting recurring daily reports, performing initial data cleaning, updating metrics on dashboards, and automating multi-layered calculations. The primary benefits are clear. It saves immense amounts of time, eliminates human errors that naturally occur during repetitive tasks, and drastically increases overall operational efficiency. When answering this is an interview, emphasize that macros are not just about shortcuts, they are about establishing error-free, scalable workflows. Moving on to our second essential interview question, what is the difference between the count and countif functions? While both functions are used to enumerate data cells, they serve fundamentally different purposes based on whether criteria are required. The standard count function is designed for simple counting. It strictly counts the number of cells within a specified range that contain numeric values, completely ignoring text, blank spaces, and any non-numeric data. On the other hand, the COUNTIF function introduces logic into your analysis by counting cells only if they meet a specific predefined condition or criteria, making it a staple for conditional counting. To make this clear for your interviewer, you can contrast their practical applications with simple syntax examples. For instance, if you apply equal to count A1 is to A10, Excel will look through that range and return a total count of the cells that contain numbers. However, if you need to extract specific insights, such as finding out how many transactions exceeded $50, you would use the conditional syntax equal to count if A1 is to A10, comma greater than 50. In summary, remember this quick comparison: count requires no criteria and only looks for numeric cells, whereas countif requires a specific condition and gives you the flexibility to filter and count data dynamically. Mastering these core principles of automation and conditional logic is what separates a standard spreadsheet user from a truly proficient data professional. If you found this quick breakdown helpful for your interview prep, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow data enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep dives into data science and analytics. Let me know in the comments below what Excel topics you want us to demystify next. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next session.